Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm a crew foreman here at Erickson. This customer here has a crawl space that they had a lot of water coming up from the ground. So over here in the low point, we have the sump pump. It's going to be a triple safe sump pump with battery backup on it. And then all around, they're getting a perimeter drain system with clean space encapsulation throughout the whole crawl space. So we have the drainage matting, the first layer, then the second layer is clean space floor, and then we're putting clean space walls up all around. And then in the middle here, we have 4 footings poured, and we're installing smart jacks to support the beam, and so we can get rid of these cinder block supports that they have here for their main beam. But yeah, all around, they're just looking for a dry crawl space and trying to get rid of all that water that was down